Okay, guys, just sit down. Let's sit down together.
No. Does that mean it's snow?
Nope, it's not snow, but it looks like it.
What is it?
It's called hail. It's big
Eat 'em?
pieces of ice. I don't know.
Can we try one? What's that sound? After that, is it going to
Okay.
snow?
No.
It looks like it just snowed. Mommy, they look like little eggs almost.
What do you think about all this, bud?
Let me see.
There's nothing to see. What do you think about all this stuff outside?
Good.
What do you think, Maisie?
I like it! I'm afraid there's going to be a tornado.
So this is the result of our recent hailstorm. These are, I guess I would call them gumball size or smaller. Yes. It's all down there. She's not. It's in the garage, sweetie. Wow, look at that. Hail down there. Mud puddles everywhere.
Wow! It's fun in the nice warm rain!
Macy.
Hey, look! It's it!
Yeah, Dick and Tom. And Chris. Stay there.
Yum!
Oh, careful now.
Yum!
Ian, look over here. There's a lot of it over here. The dogs are probably going, what is all this stuff?
They look like little snowballs.
Yeah.